Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we shall continue the next video in this house series. In this, I already told you regarding first, second, third, fourth, and also fifth house. Let us know regarding sixth house. Sixth house is not an auspicious house in an astrology. You see, there in the sixth house, usually sixth house related to enemies, debts, and ill health, and come to the litigations, many more, such as evil things which denotes sixth house. Even the natural indicator of significator of that sixth house is belongs to that Mars, and here you see whoever in you see everyone's chart sixth house denotes negative things, but in everyone's life negative things is quite common. So in one or another matter that problem related to that person will happen. You see, if whatever, for example, if that person having all good qualities means it one sixth house is compulsory in everyone's chart. Whoever placed in the sixth house, and what whoever placed in the sixth house plays a vital role in giving the problems. See, for example, Saturn is sitting in the sixth house means Saturn will what you call, do bad during the period of Saturn Dasha. What kind of things that will happen means you see Saturn usually is not a natural benefic, is the malefic. That too, the sixth house is considered the benefic for the malefic. In the malefic house, usually good, but you see in the sixth house, everyone, whatever, even though good planets won't give good results. Why? Because that house itself is a bad. The person, the lord, or that planet who are sitting in that house indicate the problem relating to the Saturn. You see, Saturn usually Saturn is denotes hard work, as well as the body parts relating to what you call as Saturn is the navel part, and also what you call sexual parts, and even legs also comes under the Saturn. So in the period of Saturn, usually the person will going to have face the kind of problem. If the sun is placed in the sixth house means you see, when sun is the indicator of head, one's soul, during this period is he may undergo the head injury, or sometimes he may goes to head injury, or his son also indicate his father. So sometimes his father will also get problem during this period, and sun is also Atma Karaka, and whatever the things that you are going to do during this period will not give proper results. So that is what happens during the sun in the sixth house. If the moon placed in the sixth house, moon is in the sixth house. So sixth house, so that moon related to mind. So during the dasha of moon, that some stress or some anxiety, such kind of problems may arise during that period. If the Mercury is placed in the sixth house, and during the sixth, that means during the sixth house planet which is its dasha is running means during that time the Budh is related to the business and also the intelligence and also all those things. During this time, he may have certain problem in taking decisions, and also sometimes he may cheated by some others, and his intelligence may not work properly. So that is how it will affect. And come to the, if the Mars is placed in the sixth house, and what Mars indicate, you see Mars is a soldier. Mars is a very fierce planet. So whenever that Mars is placed in the sixth house, Mars is plays very good role in the sixth house. Even though that in the during the is dasha, he may face a problem relating to the Mars. What Mars indicate means, Mars indicate one's ability. Ability. Sometimes that if the Mars dasha is running means during that time he may lack of confidence, and he may what you call, lose interest to fight against his enemies, and if any challenges may comes means he will not ready to face that challenges. That is what the problem will happen. If that Venus is happens to be there in the sixth house, and during the dashafa sixth, that Venus indicates very some problem relating to Venus is Sukha Karaka, or Venus is whatever the things that Venus qualities are there, no? That means to say beauty, sense of beauty, joy, enjoyment, everything's are going to suffer during this period. And if the Rahu is placed, it means Rahu is the illusion. Rahu is a illusion. Rahu is an ambition. So during this period, that person may illuse a lot, and he think something is going to be happen. Like that, he may going to have some fear relating to the something is going to be happen to him, and also his what do you call, ambition, his ambitious nature may suffer a lot during this period. That is how we can understand sixth house. So sixth house is the malefic house, and also whoever placed in the sixth house, they what do you call, hinders the progress of seventh house. Why? Because seventh house is because sixth house is 12th from seventh house. So during this period, so one may face problem relating to the what do you call, married life. That is what my analysis about sixth house in Vedic astrology. Thank you very much, friends. And if you are not still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you are not still like in my videos, please like it and watch the videos till to the end. And wish you all the best to you all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, friends.